Hi guys, my name is Brittany Shantae and this is going to be my first ever video on my YouTube channel. And today I will be showing you. Okay, so I said this was going to be my winter care wash routine, but I actually had somewhere that I had to be the next morning. So I actually turned this into my winter care wash routine when I'm actually in a hurry. If you guys want to see, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so what I'm doing right now is I am about to section my hair in 4 sections to get ready and apply my pre-poo. So I like to use a pre-poo because it strengthens the strands and it also minimizes breakage due to the shampoo stripping the hair. But for this particular time, I am not going to be shampooing my hair. I'm just going to be co-washing. Nope. I take that back. I lied. I did shampoo my hair. I ended up shampooing my hair, but I will let you guys know what shampoo I use later on. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just about to detangle my hair out because I like to release some of the shed hair so it won't be that hard for me to shampoo my hair and detangle later on in the shampooing phase. Right now I'm also applying the pre-poo, which is just a mixture of oils that I have. I have like olive oil, castor oil, some hibiscus tea that I actually mixed up in that. So what I like to do when it comes to my pre-poos, which is also, I like to call it a hot oil treatment, I like to add it with hot water in the microwave. So then I'll apply the hot oil treatment to my scalp first, and then I'll apply it to my ends. But before I do that, I'll also spritz my hair with just a little bit of water to make it easier for the oil to absorb in my hair because I do have low porosity hair. So the oil treatment, it can be done overnight or it can be done for just a few hours. But on this particular day, I actually had somewhere to go the next day. So I ended up pre-pooing for about 3 hours. So I'm just gonna speed this video up and I'll be back after I finish shampooing my hair. So I just finished shampooing my hair with the Long & Luxe Strengthening Shampoo, and I will insert a clip here. And this shampoo, I like this shampoo because it has no sulfates, parabens, and it is, I think, silicone free. So it's not as stripping as a regular shampoo would be, but at the same time, it does clarify my hair. It's just not as stripping. So right now what I'm doing is I'm sectioning my hair in 4 sections, and I'm about to apply my deep conditioner. Now my deep conditioner, it varies between whatever I have, but for this particular time I actually used the True Hydra Intense Treatment Mask, and I actually added, I think, some glycerin and some other conditioners that I had left. So I made like a cocktail of conditioner because my hair was very dry. It was actually coming off of, I think, like 2 weeks of not moisturizing my hair. So I'm just applying the conditioner here, and I'm applying it towards the ends and then working my way up to the roots, because the ends are the oldest parts of my hair and it needs the most attention. So I'm just going to speed it up so you guys can see how I apply the deep conditioner throughout my hair. So now I'm just blending my hair into 2 sections, and I'm going to apply some castor oil on my hair starting from the ends and work my way up to the roots just to add more moisture to my hair. And then I'm going to apply a plastic cap on my hair and let this sit in my hair for about an hour without any heat. So that was the end of the video, and next time I will show you guys how I moisturize and style my hair for the work week. So I'll see you guys in my next video.